Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a quick and easy way to design a professional title slide for your PowerPoint presentation. This simple and stylish design technique will help you create an eye-catching opening slide that sets the tone for your presentation. So let's start the video. First, select the rounded rectangle shape and drag it. Grab the yellow dot and drag it to the right. Duplicate the shape, set it like this. Then select all and align middle. Go to Format, select Union from Merge Shape, align center and align middle. Next, go to Insert and insert picture from here. Right click, Send to Back. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select both, go to Format, select Combine from Merge Shape. Go back to the first slide, select both, go to Format, select Intersect from Merge Shape. Cut using Ctrl X and delete this slide. Paste it here. Right click, go to Format Picture. Select Outer Shadow from Preset. Select this. Select Inner Shadow and increase blur size. Select the text box. Write Nature here. Change the font and increase font size. Then align center and align middle. Go to Format and select width size. Click on Text field, select No fill. Select this. Go to Format. Select this from Correction. Select this picture and from All Stick Effect select this. Now click on Slide Show and there you have it, a stylish and professional title slide in PowerPoint. This simple design technique is perfect for any presentation and will help you make a great first impression. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.